Hi, my name is Wilson Leung from Leung Real Estate. Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of hosting an open house and having a sign in the yard. Should you do it? Does it really matter? Is the inconvenience worth it? You may have some thoughts about nosy neighbors stopping by and not wanting to draw attention to your move, and we will address that in this video. Whether we've met and discussed the details of your property already, or if you're looking to explore more ideas to appropriately prepare you and your family for a future home sale, definitely check out our sellers playlist with videos and ideas on helping you sell for the most. First, let's talk about the cons. We know it can be inconvenient to host open houses and put a sign up in the yard, especially if you're living in the home. The common feedback we get from most sellers is that their nosy neighbors would stop by. We typically do not want people snooping around our home who have no intention to actually buy. As much as it is a drawback, I believe the pros will outweigh the inconveniences that you'll encounter. Now let's talk about the pros. As of the last 12 months, open house previews made up a total of 85% of all foot traffic to a home when it's on the market. What this means is that if there were 50 families previewing your home, 42 to 43 plus of those family groups would have stopped by during an open house. There's no guarantee all of these people would make an offer. However, 50 people seeing a home would highly encourage more offers to come in during offer deadline than a mere 7 to 8 people seeing it privately. As offers roll in, it would make our job much easier to negotiate a higher price, and during that 2 weeks of inconvenience, it's typically worth it. 5 to 6 figures more in your pocket, I would say that's a no-brainer. The same goes for a for sale sign. 9% of all buyers that end up buying a home stumble upon the open house sign or get introduced to the home by a neighbor or friend that's looking out for them. They want to buy by seeing a sign in the yard, driving through the neighborhood. That is also a pro for you to encourage as many people to show their interest via writing an offer come offer deadline, which is worth that short period of inconvenience. Once we're finished with showings, we can make adjustments by removing the for sale sign because we would have been in contract later on. All in all, if the final result of getting the most out of our home sale is important, hosting open houses and having a sign up will be encouraging of that. And with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I'm curious to hear your personal experience. Definitely comment below if you've encountered a home sale previously or if you have a question. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Until the next one, thank you for watching.